Hey, it's Similoli here, and in this video, we're going to address the question, is it time to buy into Fantom? Keep watching to the end, and I'm going to show you from the daily and the weekly charts what I think about whether this is a good time to buy into Fantom. I also have some signals for you at the end of the video. But before that, let's go into some fundamentals about Fantom, what it is, and why you should buy into it or not. Fantom is a scalable and decentralized platform set up to solve high transaction costs and low transaction speed. It is aimed at solving the issue of blockchain trilemmas like speed, security, and decentralization. Ethereum is the first cryptocurrency to introduce smart contracts, and almost 80% of applications are built on it. Now, because of this, the network is congested, resulting in high fees and slow transactions. Now, there's nothing new about this problem with Ethereum. It's been around for a while, but what is new are the new and upcoming projects like Fantom that are designed to solve Ethereum's problems. It has the ability to process 1,000 transactions in seconds. The speed at which Fantom operates gives it a clear win over Ethereum. Fantom has also been able to solve the Ethereum scalability issue by assigning each application their own blockchain. Fantom uses a proof-of-stake consensus algorithm to validate transactions and secure the network. Now, you can participate in securing this network by staking your Fantom. In exchange for staking your Fantom, you are rewarded with Fantom tokens. To participate in staking, you don't need any dedicated special hardware or device. You can just do it directly from your phone or your PC. Now, while staking means locking up your tokens, they are still in your wallet and only you have access to them. And whenever you need your funds again, you simply unstake. If you want to learn more about staking, then make sure you watch the playlist that shows up top right of your screen. If you do want to buy some Fantom, then you can do so at some of these exchanges as listed. And if you do want to open an account, I'll put some links in the description box below. Okay, when we look at the chart on the daily, we see where the 200-day moving average forms this nice support, and price action just cannot stay below it for any significant amount of time. And at the confluence of the 200-day and the 61.8% fib, we see that price action was not going to even venture below these two very powerful support lines. And so we have that upward move. Very nice. And the only question we have is, do we have enough buying pressure to sustain the upward move? And is the market, the overall market, going to cooperate? The volume down here on the daily is just beautiful. Now, if you compare the green bars to the red bars, we see how buying pressure is really strong. And that is what we need to keep price action moving upwards. One thing to look out for, though, we always need to look out for double tops. With a double top, we run the risk of, after creating this nice M, here, we run the risk of price action going south again. But in it going south, it has to deal with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 very strong support levels. And even if there is a slight retracement, that would be healthy, and we would look to price action ultimately heading back up. We're looking at the weekly Fantom chart, and what we see is the all-time high of $3.50. Now that's a big move. So it hit this all-time high the end of October 2021. And this is a great bullish price action, considering the fact that just 3 months prior, it was trading at under $1, way under $1. Now, as with the rest of the cryptocurrency market, we have seen this drastic negative price action. But the interesting thing is, here in this 1 week, price action went all the way down to this 78.6 fib, but it bounced right back up. And if you look at these weeks, 1, 2, 3, 4, price action was being upheld by the 61.8 Fibonacci level. Now that is one of the most important Fibonacci levels, and that's why I have it shaded yellow, because basically this is the bottom of my golden zone. When price action drops below the bottom of this golden zone, then we're looking at a bear market. But for as long as price action was able to stay above the 61.8 Fibonacci level, as well as the 200-day moving average, then we're still in play. And what happened after price action hung around the 61.8 Fibonacci level for pretty much a month is this nice upward move. Big question is price action going to keep going whereby we break above this all-time high? That is a big question. We do have nice volume formation down here, but we need to sustain it. Now, this week here hasn't given us as much buying pressure as we would love to see. So it's still early days yet to determine whether this candlestick for the week is going to stay red or whether it's going to turn green. If it does turn green, then we stand a chance of it actually breaking above the all-time high in this week of the 17th of January 2022. Making videos can be super thirsty work, so you can help support my channel by buying me a cup of coffee. Find the link in the description box below. Also, don't forget to like and comment below, because your comments actually inform me of what kind of content you prefer and what else you would love to see on this channel. Subscribe if you haven't already, but most importantly, don't forget to hit that notification bell. This way, you get my videos as soon as I upload them. And I will see you in the next video.